All right, so I'm joined in this edition with a guest that has been here twice before. And so this is his third time, and it's always a pleasure and always an honor to have him here. So we're joined by Tim Brewer, the Academy Director. So hi, Tim.
Hi, Chidi.
All right, so Tim, I guess what we all want to know is what's new with the Academy? What direction is the Academy heading towards? What are the goals? What are the aspirations? Fill us in. Let us know.
Yeah, that's a good question. I think actually an exciting time for the Academy. We were a relatively small team in the last 5-6 years, and we're growing quite rapidly, and not just by number of trainers, but actually the different roles that we're offering for the Academy. We've just recently hired a new instructional designer, which will now start to take a look at the methodology and design of our trainings, really focusing on adult learning, which I think is something that could really benefit our customers and I think make the training much better than what we are even doing now as a role, someone really coming from this didactic background, this training, teaching background. So that's one thing that we are doing, as well as actually just increasing the headcount in the Academy with people both with project experience and also outside experience from different companies. So that's one thing, growing, of course.
Sounds good.
In addition, we are implementing a new e-learning platform, a new LMS or learning management system, as they call it. And this will be used both internally and externally for e-learning and also to schedule their live trainings or these instructor-led trainings with different sessions where we will be able to house documentation and have calendar notifications for the trainings, which in the past it was all done a bit manually by the trainers. We are also expanding our certification program. So at the moment, maybe you know or are aware, the listeners are aware that we have 2 levels of certification. We have an associate level and a professional level course. The professional level is meant to give more detailed knowledge, still maybe not at the level that the experts have in the projects, but really at a standard high level overview as the associate level, and a bit more detailed into the background processes and configuration, let's say, of the different components. So we're also expanding those a bit with some more questions and exams and some more content. And we have also recently released what we call framework and configuration level, where they're all associate courses. There is no real, let's say, professional technical course. There are several associate courses that you can take based on a user interface level, a interface between machines, so machine interface level, and also a developer level, if you say.
Okay.
So yeah, those are the things that we're working on in the next weeks and months. And also we have next year folding into the Academy umbrella, or coming under the Academy umbrella, a role called Knowledge Manager. These are people that will be involved in organizing knowledge within the PSImetals group in all of the divisions and legal entities, as well as not just organizing, but also setting up plans about ways that knowledge is transferred within the company, methodologies, different tools, internal websites or Confluence pages to be created. So I look forward to that also. So the Academy team will grow from what was 2 people for a very long time now to about 8 or 9 people.
Oh, that's a big change. Definitely huge growth.
Yes.
Yeah. So definitely shows that the Academy is increasing its capacity and capabilities as well, and that's always exciting. Definitely.
Yes, I agree.
Yeah, so we're looking forward to seeing all these changes and to seeing this huge growth that the Academy is going through, and also the company in itself as well. So thank you, Tim, for explaining this to us and sharing this exciting news with us as well.
Thanks, Chidi.